I will start with the Sikh greeting. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. We are extremely thankful to Congressman Donald Norcross and all other congressional congressmen, who supported this effort to have the first Sikh prayer, first ever, in U.S. Congress, in U.S. House. I was telling earlier that Sikhs been here for more than 100 years, but this is the first time, this is the historic opportunity which has arrived upon us, and we are extremely thankful to all the congressional people, House Chaplain's office, especially Karen and the House Chaplain, that they make it happen. Also, I'm extremely thankful to Pat Meehan, who is our ex-chair of U.S. Congressional Caucus, and also the current co-chairs of Congressional Caucus, who has supported us in this effort. And also, I think I want to talk about, what happened to the Sikh community in the last couple of weeks, when it was a revelation for us, when it was actually a surprise that when we heard Prime Minister Trudeau talking on the floor of House of Commons in Canada and talking about that, how they have the evidence, which is human and communications evidence, that the assassination that took place of Harjinder Singh Nijjar in Canada, who was a Sikh nationalist who was asking for a referendum so that Sikh can vote whether they can have their own country or not. And that was targeted by Indian agencies. This is what he said, that we have full proof on that, and eventually through the legal processes come through. And also I just want to make sure that everybody knows that India's National Investigative Agency, which is known as NIA, earlier in 2023 issued a hit list of 20 Sikhs, 20 Sikh Diaspora Sikhs. Some of them are here. There are 6 Sikh Americans on that list. Harjinder Singh Nijjar was on that list. And Paramjit Singh Panjwad, who was assassinated in Pakistan, was on that list. Avtar Singh Khanda in UK, who was eliminated a few months back, was also on that list. So we are really, really very concerned about what's going on in this world and what kind of image India has projected itself as largest democracy, which I think under Modi, since he became 2014, the Prime Minister of India, the whole game has changed. And it has become more like an authoritarian Hindu country. And what they were practicing over to the minorities over there in Indian land, like Christians, Muslims, Sikhs, they are all being killed, lynched, their houses of worship being demolished. That is being exported now to North America and Western world. So which is a very scary thought. And I think I request, if we are at the right place, that we should look into that. I heard we have requested, there should be briefings, and there's members over here who are on the Intelligence Committee, Homeland Security Committee, and if they can look into that and bring in Sikhs, who have been affected with this, that would be really We want that the message of this goes to the rest of the world. With that, I will conclude, and thank you very much, Congressman Donald Norcross, and Pat Meehan, and all other congressmen who have supported us in this effort. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.